Hi, this is Cassie Rape. I'm the math coordinator in Houston County. Following this introduction, I'm going to work out problem number 20 from the practice graduation test. You will be filming that problem. Use what I do and what I say as somewhat of a script for yourself. You don't have to memorize it word for word, but I have said the important things that you need to say, if that makes sense. So listen to it, study it, make notes, and then when it's your turn to film, that's what you'll say. We appreciate you doing this, by the way. Your teacher nominated you because you're smart and you're well liked, and that teacher just felt like you would be a really good representative in the videos that we're going to post on hcbe.net. So congratulations, thank you, and here we go. Problem number 20. Problem number 20 starts out with the objective, and that's an important thing for kids to do, is underline, find the measure of PSQ. That's what you want. That's your end result. If you haven't done that, you haven't finished the problem, okay? A lot of times in geometry problems, kids go to a lot of trouble to find X or to find Y, and then they haven't answered the question. So it wants the measure of angle PSQ. If you look at it, P to S to Q, it's that angle right there. It's the one it wants, okay? And so it's just going to be really important that students keep that in mind. It tells you that PSQ is algebraically expressed as, let's write this out, 3y minus 15. 3y minus 15. Alright? And then it says that PRQ, we go P to R to Q, is 2y plus 25. So right in there, that angle is 2y plus 25. Now, I want you to look at these as if it's a green mouth, like teeth. See that? Teeth and teeth. It's eating this arc, the arc PQ. But look at the purple mouth. The purple mouth is also eating the arc PQ. Does that make sense? Well, if both of those angles, both of those mouths that are inscribed are eating the same arc, then those angles have to be the same measure, which means the 3y minus 15 in green, the green mouth, is open the same amount as the red one. So 2y plus 25. So you would set those two expressions equal to one another and solve. So I'm going to subtract 2y and add 15. A lot of people do this in two separate steps. I tend to do it in one step just because it's a little quicker. But 2y minus 2y is 0, negative 15 plus 15 is 0, and I end up with 3y minus 2y, which is y, equals 25 plus 15 is 30, 40. Okay, I want you to notice that 40 is in the answer blank, okay? But do you remember the first thing I said? Answer the question. The question never told you find y. It said find the measure of PSQ. Well, PSQ, right here, it says to find PSQ, you take 3 times y and subtract 15. Alright? So if you know that y is 40, take 3 times y and subtract 15. 3 times 40 is 120. If you subtract 15, 120 minus 15 is 105. Clearly that's not drawn to scale, but all the same, the answer is C. It's very important in your math questions. Find the question and always double back. Make sure you answered that question, because if you do not, you may end up getting it wrong, even though you did a lot of work and a lot of good work toward that end. Okay? So stress that in your video. Again, thank you very much and best of luck in your filming.